Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William. I want to show you how you can easily get rid of all these topics, which are just from the split, especially from Wikipedia, but are not having any content at all. It's just a title. Go to view and memorized. Then only just topics. Good. So now I don't have any folder or dismiss topic. All of them are green. The next step is just going and set the sort. I want to sort by text size. Which actually is doing the opposite I want to, because now it gets the largest file. So I will do it once again. I have the sort from the shortest to the largest. So you can tell that's a dummy, all of these, from books or other articles. It's just the titles. So I don't even need that. But that's not a universal rule. So I could have false positives here of a very short topics. For instance, this one, the lowest priority is 100%. So I really don't want to select them all and get rid of them. So instead, what I can do is a subset review. Let's say I want to have these 500. Open a new browser with selected items. And now I can do a subset review of those. But before that, I will save this and I will call it potentially empty. The reason for that is that I won't process that, most likely. I won't be processing that now in a single batch. So if I want to save my time to do all of this once again, I will just load the file I just saved. So now I can just click on Learn and get rid of all of this. As easy as that. In this case, it's a false positive, so I will just do done instead of removing. So when I delete, I get the next item. So that's not actually in the subset review. Just in case, to make sure. So as you can tell, this is very low entropy. It's very tedious to do. Just deciding I need to click on delete or in. The conclusion is that there's no need to do this because you can get rid of these incrementally, as you may encounter them on repetitions. But I will do personally one exception, because now I change how I do the splits. Since it will be kind of confusing to have different ways, I'll prefer to do this now. Maybe not today, but in a week or something like that, we can have fully the new way to do it. Look, that's one false positive. So in that case, it's already one extract, and all I need actually is making done. Or I could make a card, but in this case, I made the close selection of everything I could, so just make it done. So basically, it turns out that I did all of them, all 500 elements, in a single batch. I don't know how long I needed, but it's not what a big deal, I don't know. I'm kind of surprised. Now, as you can see, I have less topics now. I had like 90,000 and something, and now it's below that. So that's how many elements I deleted.